into why Robinhood stopped allowing purchases of GameStop. And he said that shows the need for a financial transaction tax on hedge fund shorting and SEC regulations on
Cat. I'm making a video throughout the whole day because I'm watching the live news, the CNBC, all Fox Business, because the fuckery that's happening in the markets right now. They just had an interview with Jim Cramer. He's in the hospital. I think he has COVID.
Should not be anywhere near it. And I'm not against anybody who's wrong. And there's no vast conspiracy against me or GameStop or anybody else. There's just a very overvalued stock. And when you're there's three guys on, and it's the ninth inning. And you're up, and you're down by one run, okay? And it's a home game.
Whatever. He's telling people that it's going to be dangerous for retail investors. Why are they still worried about retail investors? Because these hedge funds are losing their money. And now they're still restricting buying. And now the new wave is Dogecoin. They restricted, I think you're allowed to only buy 10 shares. Like, yo, please sink Robinhood to the floor. The IPO, don't even buy it. I guess they're shout out to Barstools because he's killing it. He's helping everybody. He had a conference yesterday where he said everybody that was involved with the manipulation that happened yesterday needs to go to jail. And I agree. Listen, I know manipulation is basically a play. I mean, you're trying to deflate or inflate the price of a stock to get a personal gain. They've been doing this for years. And now once retail investors do it, now it's all a big thing. Now there's going to be restrictions or new laws or just, I can only imagine new laws they're going to make for that. And now I just had, give me 1 second. There was news on where companies are trying not to be able to show their short sell or their type of moves they're going to be making, which I don't understand why if they're allowed to do that. I have no hope for this market at all. Like it makes me cringe that they can make new laws up just like that to protect these hedge fund managers. It makes me mad. And it just goes to show you, again, if we can all come together as retail investors, we could take down people, we could take down the stocks and all that. But that's it for right now, because I'm going to go watch back the news. And yeah, Rell out. I'll be
reporting on that. Working with some of them, they were excellent policemen for the market. So, I mean, every regulation has brings something else that unexpected. I just wonder how much you think really can be done here when there's a full understanding of what's occurred.
Well, in the UK and in Europe, there's disclosure whenever you have a short position of over half of 1% of the stock outstanding. We ought to take a look at adopting that. It hasn't destroyed the stock markets of the UK and the EU.
Congressman, in general, should it be allowed to be able to short companies at more than 100%? Is that sort of the key area that a lawmaker like yourself might be honing in on?
Certainly no one short seller should be shorting over 100%. In this case, it's hard to say who went over 100% because you had a whole group of people who may or may not have been connected. And at the other side, you had those in the Reddit group who were bidding the stock price up. The stock price should reflect the real value of the company, not some tug of war between guys on Reddit and guys in the suites on Wall Street. We've got to get back to a situation where we have long-term investment based on the value of the company.
The Senate are planning to hold hearings on this, and the chairwoman of the House Financial Services Committee, Maxine Waters, said that she wants to rein in abusive practices. She said she's focused on short selling, online trading platforms, gamification, and the systemic impact on capital markets and retail investors. Now, no date has been set yet for the hearings, and the witnesses have yet to be announced. But last night, Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez connected what's happening now to the breakdown in trust in big institutions dating back to the financial crisis.
It almost felt like this week, one of the reasons that there was this huge, almost populist, bottom-up type of
rally on what was going on was that it felt like almost the first time that anybody was holding these folks who gamed this system accountable.
Up about 10, survey of the shorts. Our next guest is saying the recent Reddit trade is, quote, the messy middle of a revolution. Early Robinhood investor and Inside.com founder Jason Calacanis joins us now. Jason, what a...
Andrew did last night. That was a good get. Congratulations on that. And, you know, when they pitched me this idea at Antonio's Nut House in Palo Alto, before the product was launched, you know, Vlad said to me, we want to get millennials to trade stocks. And I said, these are the same people who are totally conventional investors. There is no business.
The retail investors, Jason, a customer is someone who pays Robinhood. As you've mentioned a few times,
Yeah.
A retail investor does not pay Robinhood. Those are commissions for trades. The customer is actually Wall Street, isn't it? It's the money, it's the market makers who pay for order flow. So how can the business model be let traders trade for free? It's actually making money off of order flow, is it not?
Well, of course, and they're very upfront about that now, and it's been very clear. But some businesses are based on having large audiences that trickle.
Are they, like you said,
yeah,
I think they never talk about that. They talk about democratizing trading, and they talk about commission-free trades all the time. We rarely hear them talk about order flow.
I think people understand it. I think it's in all the terms of service, and they've been very clear about it. So, you know, it's very similar to the Facebook situation.
So now he's saying the government needs to step in to distress the market. They need to take down GameStop. Like, I don't get it. This happens all the time. And now they're trying to find the people, like, good luck trying to find the people that made GameStop go up. Because if it was on the other side, it would be brushed aside. Like, they were just, I don't know, it's just another pump and dump. We can't find out who did that. They are trying anything in their power to stop Wall Street bets. Listen, all right, so Elon Musk put Bitcoin in his bio, making all these cryptocurrencies go on. Yo, Elon Musk, I need you to do that for AMC, AMD, ADMS. Like, come on, help your boy out. We're all retail investors in it. We're helping consume your product to make everything go up. So y'all really need us at the end of the day. I've been watching the news since 9 this morning. It's all the same thing. The GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, Bed Bath & Beyond, all of them are moving. These hedge fund managers are still pissed because they have to cover. They're mad at us because we all came together and we're taking the market out. Now, like I said, Wall Street bets, if you want to keep shooting up AMC, I would be greatly appreciated, or AMD. But all right, quick break from the news. I want to know what you guys' outlook on the market is. How do you feel about what everything is going on in the market with these Wall Street buffs and all these hedge fund managers doing what they're doing now? Let us know in the comment section below, and let's talk it out. Let's have a good discussion. Let's talk ideas. Let's talk investments. What you guys' next move? Let's communicate. Let's build a community. See what we're thinking, our ideas. I mean, this is what our channel is for. Show you guys finances and to simplify everything we can to show you guys how easy investing can really be. So let us know. I'll be back again to bug y'all. So, Rell out.